Welcome to Digital Income Strategies. Here I reveal all the strategies that you can use to create and multiply your income from digital sources. Let's become millionaires together. Today we will be creating a print on demand festive t shirt to sell on Amazon and Etsy. So print on demand, we can do it two ways, through Printful or through Amazon Merch on Demand. Now Printful would need a storefront to sell it on, so we can sell it on Amazon as well as on Etsy. Amazon Merch on Demand would only be able to sell on Amazon. Let's head over into amazon.com to do our market research. Okay, and I'm gonna look for Bride Tribe shirts. So this is gonna be our niche that we're gonna be looking at today for the festive t-shirts. And you can see a lot of people do go to Amazon to buy such things. So there is quite a bit of demand, and I'm just trying to look at the price point. It seems like it's around $20. So let's head over to Amazon Merch on Demand royalties to see how much you would actually make. So if we were to sell it for $21.99, we would get 6.37 in our pocket per sale. Just to put that into perspective, if we are able to sell 10 of these, for a month per day, and there's going to be 5 different varieties of it. So it's a bride, mother of bride, father of bride, brother, sister, so like 5 different types. That would bring us to $9,555 that we could earn in our pocket per month. So I think that makes really good sense for us to go ahead and work on this. Let's head over to Printful to see what kind of margins they have. So now we're gonna go and see, we're gonna be focusing on the DTG, and so you see here it starts from 11.25 and their shipping is 4.69, which means if we sell it for $22, it would be $6.06 in our pocket, except we do need a storefront, so something like Etsy. Let's head over to Etsy to quickly glance over the cost associated there. So Etsy has its own fees. The one-time setup fee is $15, and then they have 20 cents for each product and 6.5% on top of that. So let's assume it would be 99 cents per t-shirt that we sell as our fee there. So that would leave us with $5.07. So again, $5.07, selling 10 of them per day for 30 days and 5 different variety. You see there, so that's $7,600. Heading over to Canva, let's make our design now. And it's gonna be, width is gonna be 10 inches, height is gonna be 8 inches. And this is gonna be our basic backdrop. Now, what I'm gonna look for is Bride Tribe, something that's related to that. Okay, so now let's find an image that would suit our theme. Here, I like this one. I'm gonna put that here, just adjusting the size just because I need more elements. I like that banner with Team Bride on there. Let's go ahead and put that. Okay, this looks great. Just adjusting the size here, and now I just need flowers or something. So pink flowers, this giant pink flower in the background. No, I think it's too much. How about this? On the side, no, don't like that one either. So let me look at something that already has a predefined shape. So this one right here looks great. Just adjusting it, sending it to the back as the layer, and twisting it a little bit to make sure it fits nice. And don't worry about the banner moving, because we're gonna save it as an image, and that just gets rid of it. Okay, save as an image, and make sure to save without the backdrop, And one fun thing is mockups. So this can really show you how your product would actually look. So I'm just going to find a picture with a girl just like this one, and I'm going to put this on her t-shirt there. Okay, so this is what your product would actually look like. This is what it looks like on someone wearing it. Just to show you another type of a design, and this is really simple, just the writing on there. So mother of the bride, just adjusting the size there. This looks good, just putting some color in. I like this color, and now I just need like some sort of decoration on there. Maybe let's put this picture, no, adjusting it here, no, I don't like that. Okay, maybe flowers. Flowers always work. I really like that. And then maybe something on the other corner. A ring. No, it doesn't look as nice. Okay, maybe a crown then. We can do trial and error to see what looks nice. I think it looks too much. I think I like it just with the flowers and the writing on it. Let's save that, and I'm gonna create a mock-up of that as well. So I'm just gonna save the image without the backdrop, and I'm gonna go into mockups under the apps on Canva, and I'm gonna select a picture that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna use this one, just making sure it's nice and big, and I'm gonna drag my design onto here, and this is what it's gonna look like. So it looks really nice. Thanks for joining me on this journey to becoming a millionaire. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building passive digital income streams through creative entrepreneurship. Until next time, happy earning!